You're watching Comedy Club. I am Sushant Mehta. Please welcome Veer Das, Sumer Pasricha, aka Pammi Aunty, Saloni Gaur, you also know her as Kangana Runout, Kusha Kapila. Right, Veer Das, the king of comedy. Firstly, I want to ask you, what did you discover about people during the lockdown? As we all know, it was a terrible time for everyone. But I saw on your show, everybody was having a blast. They were looking forward to having a conversation with you. Everybody in their living rooms, you know, scratching themselves, just waiting for Veer coming on.
For me, here are my two learnings from this. Number one, Indian men don't know how cell phone angles work. Like I have seen more upskirt shots of Indian men and crotch shots of Indian men than anybody should see ever in their lifetime. And I fully sympathize with Indian women in a much larger and more profound way. And number two, push comes to shove. It's been great to get a glimpse into your audience members' houses. Because, you know, usually people come and see you and there's 5,000 people and they're in the dark and you're in the light. But now it's nice to see your bed and the poster on your wall and the books on your shelf.
Yeah.
So I'm profoundly more grateful for my audience. Like we've met for the first time after a decade.
And now, my friend Sumer, the legendary Pammi Aunty, the character, as I said, the legendary character that you've created, especially up north, man. People are crazy. They wait for your videos. So the last video also that I saw, Pammi talking about shadis. Yeah, 50 log hi allowed a shadi mein. So she was sorting it out for people. So the experience of Pammi Aunty for 2020, tough year, and you said tough for Pammi also.
I'll say Pammi was not invited to half of the weddings and she had taken that as a big insult to her. But she took it she was okay with the whole idea of sitting at home. Rather, when Mrs. Malhotra's daughter was supposed to get married, Pammi was the one to say कि कोई बात नहीं बहन जी आराम नाल कर लेने हैं सगन भी तो वापस आने ने थोड़ा रुक जाओ थोड़े दिन अगले साल शादी कर लेना किथे नसी चली है ना कुड़ी ने नाचना ना मुंडे ने but some people who had to get married they did.
इंसान को कोई मतलब मैसेज भी नहीं कर सकता, ट्वीट तो दूर की बात है, उनके बारे में बात नहीं कर सकता, उनको आप कॉपी करके मजाक उड़ाती हो. आई थिंक द मोस्ट वॉलेटाइल कंगना रनौत, वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा चल रहा है अभी तक आपका? अब तो इतना मटेरियल उन्होंने आपको दे दिया है.
अभी आपने पता नहीं आपने देखा है कि नहीं, तो शी हैज आल्सो रिप्लाइड टू माय लास्ट वीडियो.
क्या बोला उन्होंने?
शी हैज रिटन अ होल पैराग्राफ, बहुत सारा कुछ लिखा है, बट स्टिल गुड. आई मीन जैसा सबने देखा है दैट शी यू नो गेट्स ऑफेंडेड सो इजीली, शी राइट्स कितने वो पैशनेटली लिख देती हैं कभी कभी. तो मेरे केस में तो शी हैज टेकन इट क्वाइट यू नो स्पोर्टिंगली. इतना ज्यादा कुछ नहीं लिखा है, इंग्लिश में बहुत अच्छे से लिखा है.
Kusha Kapila, well, I have to say I enjoyed your comedy the most in 2020. Talk to me about some of your sketches. They were outstanding, especially the ones, firstly, how you portray your mother in your sketches. It's hilarious.
I think I think anyone who tries to you know tell me that you shouldn't do this or this is wrong and don't rebel against it, I think those are the people I love to target. And my mother has been one of those people who's tried to discipline me so much कि क्या कुछ भी करती रहती है, पर लड़की है क्या है ये, हाय मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आता. No, she would just say things like कि the most bizarre things कि तुमको तो चाहिए कि तुम्हारी मम्मी घर पे हो ही नहीं, तुमको तो यही चाहिए कि तुम्हारी मम्मी चली जाए, मैं चली जाती हूँ. And you know, she said these things to me all of my childhood. And I think there was this point in my like digital career where I was like, I am impersonating so many different characters, like a South Delhi auntie who I have not had a South Delhi auntie growing up. So I was like, why am I not imitating my own mother? Because she's so funny and she doesn't know it. Like the best part about my mother's comedy is like she doesn't realize how hilarious she is. एक तो हमारी moms थोड़ी काफी Indian moms patriarchy की शिकार भी है. तो कितना टाइम वो किचन में बिताती हैं because that's the way the world works, which I'm sure is slowly changing. But like my mother would do something like कि हाय एग्जाम हो रहे नहीं हो रहे, बच्चों के हो भी रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे, और अगर हो रहे हैं तो हमको बता दिन क्योंकि हमारी छाती पे बैठे हुए हैं पूरा दिन, या तो कभी डिजिटल उस पे कभी टिकटॉक बना रहे हैं, या कभी इंस्टाग्राम पे जा रहे हैं, या कभी यूट्यूब पे कर रहे हैं। मेरी लड़की तो कह रही है यूट्यूब करियर बनाएगी और वही करेगी। मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आता इन बच्चों का होना क्या है। ऐसे राक्षसी बच्चे हुए हैं ना हमारे सारे के सारे, ये हम पे बैठे रहेंगे और हम क्या करेंगे उसके बाद।
Okay, I'm going to play a rapid fire with everyone. So same questions for everyone. Let's play a quick rapid fire. Word association. I'm going to toss one word and you give me your feelings, your reflections on that word or that topic, what you observed about that particular topic in 2020. Ready, everybody? Media in 2020.
Media.
Yes.
Shackled. I hope you guys free yourselves of the handcuffs that you have put on yourself and the other ones that have been put by other people.
Losing the plot or
नहीं कर पाए, मतलब हमने नया लो देखा मीडिया का कि वो कितना नीचे गिर सकते हैं।
This laughter.
Politics in 2020.
Politicians are funnier than comedians and smarter and better actors than actors.
big drama.
सेम लाइक मीडिया, वो उनका भी नया स्टैंडर्ड हमें देखने को मिला कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कहीं फाड़ा जा रहा है, कहीं कुछ किया जा रहा है, तो वो भी अपना नया नीचे का स्टैंडर्ड देख रहे हैं,
New low, huh?
Comics.
Third, Kangana Ranaut.
Kangana Ranaut has still not gotten what Kangana Ranaut wants.
Better than Nagin serial.
मैं सेम ही आंसर दूं क्या अभी? बट फिट कर रहा है वो सेम आंसर।
अच्छा, इसके लिए भी न्यू लो है, कंगना के लिए भी।
I don't know. I don't know. I have no words. I would like to say one word that comes to my mind when I'm speechless.
Vaccine.
Vaccine. First day, first shot, irrespective of side effects. So yeah.
God knows who will get it.
कुछ तो वैक्सीन आएगी तो वो वाला गाना बजेगा कि वो जया बच्चन का जैसे नहीं थाली लेके।
अच्छा।
तो वैक्सीन का तो सबको वैसे ही इंतजार है, बट हाँ आई होप कि वैक्सीन सही हो, मतलब वही है कि रिएक्शन ना हो इसका ज्यादा, जैसे यूके में भी हुआ था अभी, तो सब कुछ सही रहे।
The day I get it, best day of my life.
The superstars of the Hindi film industry.
Film stars. Down to earth this year. Welcome to digital, where the rest of us live.
वो उन्होंने जैसे हैंडल किया उन्हें वैसे ही नहीं करना चाहिए था, उसी की वजह से पकड़े गए हैं वो।
अच्छा, उसी की वजह से पकड़े गए।
I would say anyone can be a superstar. Things have become super democratic this year.
Comedy in 2020.
Comedy is the only way to survive a pandemic.
Interesting. Lots of new people have come up with their comedy gigs. I have recently become fan of Saloni a lot.
Amitabh Bachchan. उनको कोविड हुआ फिर भी KBC still going strong.
Strong. I think so. He is another Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man.
हाँ, तो उनके लिए तो he is a fighter. I mean, वो इंस्पिरेशन देते हैं कि उन्हें कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हुई हैं आज तक, कि कभी उनको कुछ वो फिल्म के सेट पर इंजर्ड हो गए थे, उसके बाद भी he was back and all, और अभी भी वैसा ही है कि तुरंत उन्होंने शूटिंग शुरू कर दी, तो he is a fighter at this age. I mean, very amazing.
Hello. COVID-19 say. Call a tune.
Okay, now 2021. What are your plans in 2021? What can we look forward to?
2021 will be a romantic comedy in the Hindi film industry.
Oh, nice.
A rom-com in the West as well, an American TV show, and an Indian series.
Holistically, as for the world, I just want it. I want that vaccination is accessible to all people, all stratas of the society, everyone. I am also hoping that people have learned a lesson of kindness this year, because there were many instances this year जहाँ पे हमें पता लगा how important it is to be kind, and when you're not kind to people, how it can impact people's lives. That there were many instances like this. किसी भी तरह एक फ्रेम में पंकज त्रिपाठी जी के साथ हो जाऊं तो मेरा जीवन सफल है. If that can happen.
Right, with that, it's a wrap on this episode. I want to thank all my guests. More power to all of you. Veer Das, Kusha Kapila, Sumer Pasricha, Saloni Gaur. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.